कहाँ से इन्वॉल्व है आप? सीबीआई से?
आई वाज CIO, चीफ इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर।
सर आपका नाम बोल दीजिए।
NS यादव।
सर चीफ इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर।
यस।
सर आज का जो ये जजमेंट आया उसके उस पर थोड़ा इलैबोरेट करेंगे, थोड़ा बताएंगे क्या क्या जजमेंट?
10 people have been awarded life imprisonment, 3 have been passed undergone.
सर ये तो बता रहे थे कि 15 लोग अक्यूज के सीबीआई ने चार्जशीट किया था, उनमें से 15 को गिल्टी होल्ड किया।
15 ही थे कस्टडी में।
सो उनमें से 10 को लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट
मिला।
3 को
अंडरगोन है।
सेंटेंस। सो
बाकी 2 को परसों लास्ट टाइम में हुआ था, लास्ट डेट पे हुआ था। नो। কিবা কব
আজীবন জেলত থাকোতে থাকোতে বড়লাইন হৈ যাব। জেলত থাকোতে আমি আশা কৰিছো ভাৰত চৰকাৰে বড়লেণ্ড দি দিব। Sir, could you আপনি কিবা কব বিচাৰিছে? স্যার আপনি কিবা কব বিচাৰিছে? কিবা এটা কৈ দিয়ক, কিবা এটা কৈ দিয়ক। দুইমাৰিটা ক'ত আছে? দুইমাৰিটা কোনফালে? ৰঞ্জন দুইমাৰি।
See, out of the 13 accused, they were present today in the court. 10 have been awarded life imprisonment, and remaining 3 have been awarded the sentence undergone. That means the time they have spent in the prison, that is the punishment, and plus some fine. I don't know the exact amount of fine. I have yet to go through the order. That is the.
does that include those 10 people? Does that include Ranjan Dharma?
Yes.
Okay, so he has been awarded with
Life imprisonment. Thank you.
So what is the number of convicts? Is it 14 or 15?
14.
14.
Pardon? Life imprisonment. It's life imprisonment for 10 people, and for 3 the sentence undergone. That means the period they have spent in the jail has been treated as punishment, and plus fine. Exact amount of the fine is not known. I have to go through the court order.
So who all have to pay the fine? The 10 accused?
No, 3.
3, okay.
10 have been awarded life sentence. They will remain in jail throughout their life. Yeah. Thank you very much.
आपका नाम? आपने तो चश्मा वश्मा पहन के पूरा स्टाइल।
Talk time. Huh.
So just
It's
Yes, your name?
Bapon Busumutari.
Bakon,
Ah.
how are you involved
I support NDP as a freedom fighter. We need our demand. Actually, we have demand because we Boro peoples are dominated by Assamese government, the Assam government. So these people they never treat us as a indigenous people. So we indigenous people dominated by some of bad politicians. So against them we are fighting, and we want to get our freedom as a indigenous people. So we Boro people are indigenous. So now actually NDP Ranjan Doimari, chief of Ranjan Doimari. So he is fighting against the Assamese government. So government is dominating us. So that's why the already central government with NDP. So peace process is going on, peace talk is going on during the time. So CPI has given the final judge. This is actually partiality. They have done as a partiality. So according to my opinion, so it's not be done like that. And other freedom fighter also in Assam, like Alpha 2004, they have given a bomb blast had given in Dhemaji. So during that time, small kids, small children are died. So according to law, so Alpha also they should get treat same law. Law is equal for them.
Okay, so what is the future course of action now?
So we'll fight the higher authority. Now we'll not stop our fighting. So according to
Where will you now? The CBI judgment is on.
no yes we'll start onward from today only. We'll start from today. Protest. We'll protest and yes, state-wise. State by protest. Okay, thank you.
So, ma'am, how do you see this? How do you view what is the
It was expected because we know that there is no same treatment to the people of Assam. Like we are the original people of Assam, we are treated always as a stepchildren, and that is why we could see this. Even the government, the administration, police force, armies, even the court, they can treat different to us. Because we know Ranjan Doimari has been accused, he has been convicted as a chairman of NDP because he is the head of the organization. Then what about the other organizations who also does the same thing, who kill children, who kill Hindi speakers, who kills SPs, who kills MPs? Then regarding them we can see the organizational head is not responsible. They are not taking any action against them. So anyway, it's a political issue, it was a political case, it was a political problem. So we still hope that peace process will not get derailed and it will continue, and government will take some measures to continue the peace process.
Are you hinting that the peace process are not going to get delayed? Because you have been pointing out that conviction and peace process cannot go
Together. That is why now we will be moving to higher court. Whatever we can do, we will keep on fighting. We have to fight at home, we have to fight with the government, we have to fight in the court for our justice. And that is why our people, the aboriginals, the indigenous people of Assam, the son of the soils, all the tribal people, people are trying to go away from Assam. Why? Because there is a discrimination. Because being a head of the organization, if he could be punished, other organization head also could be punished, but we have not seen. That is why we are saying we are requesting government, because they have already started going to the camp since yesterday, before yesterday. We hope that government should take care of that so that it doesn't get derailed. The peace process does. It was a hard-earned peace process, because these two will not work together. That is why we still request to the government of India that peace process. They should give first priority to the peace process. And in legal side, we will keep on fighting. Thank you.
What's your name?